my poppy and pepper crusted skirt steak with Belgian frites and an andouille aioli. We're gonna make a beautiful rub for this. By grinding spices fresh, you're just gonna release so much more aroma. This is a smoked jalapeno. I'm putting it in the grinder, put the thing down, and you let her rip. It's a spicy day. I'm gonna take a sheet pan. I'm gonna take my presentation side of the steak. I'm just gonna lay it in there, pat it down, full coating, okay? Shake that pan around, move the spices. Look how coated that is. Now, let's cut some taters. I'm gonna actually cut this right in half. We make these flat cuts, about 1/4 of an inch. Dragging my knife, holding it together like this. So now we have these stacks. Now we can cut these into proper batons, as we say, but also 1/4 inch French fries. Put them right in here, naked. I'm gonna set my timer for 8 minutes. Put it right by the fryer, drop them in the basket, give it a little shake, and let it go. And we are gonna double fry these. My fryer's at 355. Now I'm gonna get my mise en place for my side. So we are gonna saute this beautiful broccolini. We're gonna add some Calabrian chilies at the end and a couple cloves of garlic. So this is gonna need a little olive oil. Give it a little smash so you can start running your knife through it. So this is 2 cloves of garlic. I think this is perfect. Broccolini loves it. This is ready to go. Put my broccoli in it. I got some tongs. Move it around so all the sides get a little bit of that first dose of olive oil. Just salt, no pepper, because we're gonna put the Calabrian chilies, but this is gonna help the cooking process. I don't really wanna cook it. I wanna keep it kind of bright and fruity. Uh-oh, our fries are done. I'm gonna take them out, let them chill for a minute, and that's good to go. Check our broccolines. Yeah, see, now it's starting to get charred up. All right, so remember that presentation side, putting it on diagonally like this, right?
Then you're doing presentation side down.
This is the only time I press down on a steak when I'm grilling it, right when I put it on there to make sure you got full coverage, full contact. We're gonna let it do its thing. We're moving this stuff around. Isn't that broccolini beautiful? Now, you give it a peek, just like that, but it will stick if it's not ready.
Ooh.
All right.
Right? I turned it from,
One diagonal to the other.
yeah, so that's,
Cross-hatching.
boom. Let's do the sauce, huh? This is for our fries. Now, this doesn't need to be cooked. This is like a dried, cured meat. Squeeze it out. I'm gonna actually zest 1 clove of garlic, and we are mixing it together for a very potent fry dipper. What could be better than dipping your fries into meat and mayonnaise? That's my cue. Yes. You can see the little crosshatch quad triage we saw in there. Our steak's ready to go. Beautiful. And let it rest. I'll slice one, and we'll plate it like that. I'm gonna grab for my fries, get them ready.
Oh my God, it is so cute.
Which comes with a little sauce dipper, right?
I'm obsessed.
So just spoon it right in there, so you don't have to worry about like getting it all up and down the sides of it. I think this is beautiful. We got this kind of wilty part right there that's got a little char, and this robust stem part. The heat is like way down. I'm gonna add my garlic, my Calabrian chilies. Crisp them up one more time, right into that basket. Hot oil. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna spread them out as much as possible. Just a little bit of salt. So that oil, right, that fry oil, and I'm putting them all vertically in here.
Oh, that looks so good.
I mean, you get this at a restaurant.
$12 side right there.
$12?
What do you think?
28, bro.
Oh.
You always want to cut against the grain with your steak. And so I always like to start at like a pretty dramatic angle.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. And I'm really keeping everything in a tight row here so I can plate it beautifully. This is all juice from just the meat resting, not from cutting into it.
Yummy.
Why would you waste that? I don't know. There you have it.